subscribe on our YouTube channel Science Technology and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss another update of my channel. Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of our YouTube channel Science Technology, and today we have came with some vedic tricks of mathematics. These tricks will help in your exam time. Yes friends, it will obviously help in your exam time. So let's start our episode. Hope you all will like this.
Today we have came with some Vedic tricks of mathematics, and these tricks will make your calculation first. But this trick is applicable for some numbers only. So let's start. This trick contains three types. So we will start the first type. So let's start the first type. Whenever you see a division with the divisor 5, on that case this trick can be applied. At first, let us consider a number 264. 264 divided by so here 264 divided by 5. Here we can apply this trick. So the first step is to multiply the dividend with 2. So it is the dividend, 264 is the dividend and it is the divisor. So at first we have to multiply the dividend with 2. So it means 264 into 2. So 264 into 2, the result is 528. So we have almost completed the trick, and the last step is that we have to add a decimal point from the right hand side to 1 unit. It means we have to add a decimal point from the right hand side to 1 unit. So here will be the decimal point, so 552.8. so let us take another example. So let us take another example. 384 divided by 5. So here 384 is the dividend, so we have to multiply the dividend with 2. So 384 into 2 gives the result 768. So we have to add a decimal point from the right hand side to 1 unit. So here we have added a decimal point to 1 unit from the right hand side. So here we got the answer. You can check this answer using calculator also. So we conclude the type 1. So let's start the type 2. The type 2 is whenever you see a division with the divisor 25, on that case this trick can be applied. At first let us consider a number 224 divided by 25 equals to, so 224 is the dividend it is similar to the type 1, but it is little different from that. 224 is the dividend. Previously we were multiplying the dividend with 2, but in that case, due to presence of 25 as divisor, we have to multiply the dividend with 4. So 224 is the dividend, so we have to multiply the 224 with 4. Here we go, 225 with 4, 24 with 4, multiplying with 4. So the result is 896. Previously we were adding a decimal point from the right hand side to 1 unit, but here we have to add a decimal point from the right hand side 2 units, like that. Here is the answer we have got. So let us take another example. So 85 divided by 25, 85 divided by 25. So 85 is the dividend. For that we have to multiply 85 into 4, and here is the answer we have got. 85 into 4, the answer is 340. 340, we have said we can add a decimal point from the right hand side to 2 units. So here we have added a decimal point, so actually it means 3.4. So here we can. So let's start the type 3. So the type 3 is whenever you see a division with the divisor 125, on that case this trick can be applied. To explain, let us take a number. So the number is 505. 505 divided by 125. So 505 divided by 125. So 125, we have came to a huge number, 125. So it introduces a little change, but it is quite similar. So 505 divided by 125. So it is similar that we have to multiply the dividend. So in this division the dividend is 505. So here it has little changes. 505 will be multiplied with 8. Previously we were multiplying the dividend with 4, but in this case we have to multiply the dividend with 8. So 505 is the dividend, so we have to multiply the dividend with 8. So 505 multiplying with 8. So here is the result, 505 multiplied with 8. So we have got the answer 4040. So here it is also a little change. Previously we were adding a decimal point from the right hand side to 2 units, but here we have to add a decimal point from the right hand side to 3 units. So here we have added a decimal. So it is the result of this division. So let us take another example. 860 divided by 125. So it is quite similar. 860. So it is the dividend. So it would be multiplied. It would be multiplied with 8. Multiplied with 8. So 860 into 8. gives us the result 6880. So according to that, we have to add a decimal point to 3 units. So here is the result. So our result has been, finally we have ended out. So you can check this result, you can check this answer using calculator. Hope you like this video. That's all for today's episode. Thank you.